Hello students, we will start with chapter Physical Quantities and Measurements. Let's start with our first quantity, volume. Let's look at definition of volume. Space occupied by an object is called its volume. SI unit of volume is cubic meter. It's written as meter cube. You already know meter cube means you are multiplying 1 meter 3 times. Smaller unit of volume is cubic centimeter. Again, here you are multiplying 1 centimeter 3 times to get 1 centimeter cube. Let's see relation between meter cube and centimeter cube. As we saw, 1 meter cube means you are multiplying 1 meter 3 times. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters is the relation we already know. So when you say 1 meter cube, you are multiplying 1 meter or 100 centimeters 3 times. Result gives you 6 zeros on 1. That means it is 10 raised to 6. Hence, you get the final relation as 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube.
Now we look at some interesting formulas and relation between different units of volumes. Evolution of these quantities or these relations we can discuss when we meet. Remember, volume of solid is given in meter cube or centimeter cube, and volume of liquid is expressed in liter. And there is relation between volume of liquids and volume of solids. Here you can see that relation as 1000 centimeter cube makes 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 liters. That is equal to 1 millimeter. Now remember all these things, or you can by heart this. 1 hectare is equal to 10 raised to 4 meter square. 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter square. 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. 1 millimeter square is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square.
Now get on with these formulas. These are must remember. Volume of a cube is 1 side cube. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Volume of a sphere is 4 pi upon 3 into cube of its radius. Volume of a cylinder, pi into radius square into height. Volume of a cone is pi into radius square into height. You can see respective figures to understand what that particular shape exactly is. That will help you remember these formulas. Let's start with numericals. The length, breadth and height of water tank are 5 meter, 2.5 meter, 1.25 meters respectively. Calculate the capacity of water tank in meter cube and in liter. With this, it is clear that this is cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Putting respective figures for length, breadth and height, we get volume of a tank is equal to 15.625 meter cube. Second question asked is to find out volume of a tank in liters. We have already seen relation between volume of solid and volume of liquid. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. but we have already got the answer in meter cube, so we have to convert meter cube to centimeter cube to use formula 1. For this meter cube to centimeter cube conversion formula we have to use, and that is 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Means we have to multiply meter cube by 10 raised to 6 to get centimeter cube. Here is the answer. Now centimeter cube can be easily converted to liter by dividing the value by 1000 as per formula 1. So final answer here is 15,625 liters. This numerical is for calculating volume of irregular solid. We know the procedure already. Immerse irregular solid into water. Check out water displaced, which will be in milliliters. Then convert milliliter into centimeter cube because we want volume of irregular solid, and you know volume of irregular solid or any solid is expressed in centimeter cube or meter cube. So the numerical is: a solid silver piece is immersed in water contained in a measuring cylinder. The level of water rises from 50 milliliters to 62 milliliters. Find the volume of silver piece. Earlier water level was measured at 50 milliliters and the new one is at 62 milliliters. So we can calculate volume of silver piece by subtracting 62 and 50. So we get the difference, that is the volume, that is equal to 12 milliliters. Now this volume is in milliliters, but we are interested in the volume which is expressed in centimeter cube or meter cube, and there is a clear formula: 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So that's the conversion. So the final answer is 12 centimeter cube. Next one is find the volume of liquid present in a dish of dimensions 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters into 5 centimeters. Here data is given for the volume of solid and volume of liquid is asked. It's same like previous example. In previous example what we did is we first got the volume of liquid and then converted into volume of solid. Here it's exactly opposite. Here point to understand is liquid takes shape of solid container, so both volumes are the same. So now we move on. With this it is clear that it's cuboid and volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So putting respective values and multiplying, answer is 500 centimeter cube. We want volume of liquid present and hence we have to convert centimeter cube to milliliter. We know the conversion is 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So the final answer is 500 ml.